Offshore wind is moving into deeper waters, demanding larger turbines that need stronger and more reliable components to operate in tough marine environments. The RFCS HELIX project has developed new fasteners made from novel high-strength steels coated with advanced zinc-flake coatings. The consortium, made out of 6 partners, created novel steel grades in classes 10.9 and 12.9, offering high toughness, while lowering the concentration of critical raw materials. These steels allowed the production of large-diameter bolts at a cost up to 25% lower than current solutions. Zinc-flake coatings protect the steel from corrosion and limit hydrogen entering the material. The developed steels and coatings were tested in the lab under simulated. Full-scale M42 and M64 bolts were exposed to real marine conditions, including atmospheric and immersion conditions. Results show that HELIX has strengthened offshore wind by delivering safer, more durable and affordable fasteners that reduce maintenance and support next-generation turbines. HELIX, materials innovation for a stronger offshore future.